Which animal is known for its spines? Porcupine. Which bird is known for its elaborate courtship dance? Peacock. Which animal is known to dance on water? Water strider. Which animal is known for its large eyes? Owl. Which animal has the longest migration? Arctic tern. Which animal can stop its heart for up to 9 minutes? Sea turtle. Which animal can change its gender during its life? Clownfish. Which animal is known to have a blue tongue? Blue-tongued skink? How many correct? Like and subscribe to keep challenging yourself.